Day 5.
Good talk.
Thursday. We're walking back to our like hidden beach. It's not really hidden. You just have to walk further down the beach to get to it. We were supposed to go snorkeling this morning, and I got an email last night saying that it had been canceled due to the wind conditions and the visibility. Oh, there was someone coming. So that was kind of a bummer. That was our plan today. So we're gonna go down to the beach, hang out, come back, eat lunch so Chris can get some fish and seafood. Obviously, as you have to eat that while you're here. Kendall and I are gonna pass on that.
I might.
Oh, you might get some? Okay, I like it. We'll just kind of go with the flow today. See where we end up. Made it to our beach. Okay. Whatever spot. We were here 2 days ago. Hey, boo.
We decided to come back to kind of, I think it's our favorite beach. A little windy out today, but it's a different wind, so the water's a little warmer. So yeah, we'll try to explore this beach for a few hours and hang out.
So yesterday we were on the catamaran, and that's when we got to see the cool dolphins, the common dolphins, and I had a great time. But they were like, hey, we're gonna stop here, and we were just floating in the ocean, and they were like, we can all jump off and swim around for a minute. So we did. Everyone on the boat did. But the water is like 18 degrees Celsius right now, which is approximately 64 degrees Fahrenheit. It was freezing cold. It was so cold. So like after 10 minutes you're numb and you're like, oh, it's fine. So we got back on, went and saw some more dolphins, came back towards the shore, and it was actually like, you guys can't see it, but it was actually like further to the left, like way down there. And we did like some snorkeling and stuff. Also, I had to jump in the water for that. Still just as cold. And the wind was freezing. It's just chilly. Water is chilly. Here, at least.
Well, so far this has been our favorite beach, and looks like we're gonna head out from this beach, go eat some lunch, and then go for another swim out right by our Airbnb.
Such a large elevator.
Not really. It's very small and cozy and quaint.
Where are we headed?
We're going to I don't know, like a fish market, fish store, so we can get some fish.
I hope they have chicken.
They haven't eaten it yet.
Too late.
Darn it.
What'd you get, babe?
I got avocado and like a shrimp salad.
So this is just her starter. Are you gonna try that sauce in there? Try it.
The sauce was good.
It's a little dip.
It's not good.
I can taste it. No.
Huh?
I can, no.
Alright, so we decided to go to Casa de Mare, something like that. Fresh fish. This is what was caught today. I don't know what kind of fish that was, but it had some serious teeth. Then it's so fresh, they just did it, and now they're cooking it. Did I get it? Sardine? Yeah. Mackerel. Oh, it says mine, yeah. Sardines and mackerel. Very excited. I'm gonna need one more beer. I'm gonna need one more beer to wash all this down.
I got chicken piri piri. It's super Portuguese.
Oh, that's good.
That's it.
That's fishy.
What'd you get, Kay?
Fish sticks.
Oh, is it good?
Is it good?
Cool.
Yeah?
It's just a white fish. It's like a cod.
French fries and rice on the side.
That's an interesting combo.
Wait, try it.
Oh, wow. Sardines taste like tuna to me. So they're not bad.
Look at this one over here. Killed a sardine.
Tastes like tuna.
Do you want another one?
No, I'm gonna finish my fish sticks.
Okay. Chicken piri piri is excellent. What'd you like better? The fish stick or the shrimp?
Shrimp.
Shrimp? Did you like the sardines? Not bad? Ate quite a bit of it.
Well, I don't know if this is the right way to eat it, but I got as much as I possibly could off of it. I don't know, I had sardines and mackerel. I don't know.
That's a lot of fish.
A lot of fish. I don't know.
Chicken piri piri. It was really good. I don't know what kind of sauce or seasoning they put on the outside. It's good.
We just got done with lunch. We're gonna hit the beach for a couple hours. Come back, get dressed, go have dinner. This is our last night, last day, last afternoon here in Alvor, Portugal. One last look at the beach in Alvor. Last time we'll be at the beach, going home tomorrow, and I think we'll be back though. I think we will definitely make another trip. All right, we are on our final night here, and we're taking all of our recycling stuff down and putting it away in the right place, so it will be an easier checkout tomorrow. But right now we're on our way to the city center in Alvor. We're gonna go to La Fiesta, pretty much favorite Mexican restaurant here in Portugal. Yeah, we'll see you there. Huh?
Paper cardboard.
Paper cardboard.
Okay.
Plastic.
Metal. There we go.
This goes in here.
Yep. Little bottles.
How much are those little bottles?
Those just you know, just little bottles for me to take out on the beach.
So we're at La Fiesta for our third time. So our people can know how good it is. The flautitas de pollo. That's what I get. Kendall gets chicken tostadas. Christopher's getting some street tacos.
Yeah, the a la margarita.
Oh, we're getting chips and guac. They make their own chips here.
Chips and guac.
I want you to know I was doing this the entire time.
Oh, I know.
And a tiny little salsa.
So it's our favorite spot so far.
It's our third time eating here.
Good margaritas, and they let you have margaritas to go, which we'll have one of those too.
Oh yeah. America, get on that. Margaritas to go.
Well, we didn't show our food. Taste is already done. This is half of my last taco. Kendall has all of her tostada.
They're the best.
Take away margaritas.
Video.
También quiero tequila. ¿Tú quieres tequila?
No tequila.
No quiero tequila.
No tequila yet.
Salud.
Cheers. Salud.
Salud.
This is gonna conclude our little Portugal time. We got our to-go cups, and we have the sunset behind us. And I just took shots with the bartender and the cook, which I believe the cook owns the restaurant, but it's good people. La Fiesta.
You guys need to go there.
Yep. And all right, well, we're out of here and going back to Deutschland. Have a good night. This is our last sunset of Portugal. We are in Alvor, Portugal. Definitely look it up if you want a nice vacation. Pretty nice.
Say it all again.
That?
I forgot to hit record.
Oh God.
Oh, they're friends.
So we had a great day on the catamaran. We got to see a lot of the common dolphins, and we
You
are.
could just say that we forgot to close it out yesterday. But instead, he's going to try to pretend that he's not drinking takeaway
Takeaway margaritas.
margaritas. What a great trip.
It's a good trip for
Like-
Portugal. If you ever get a chance to come to Portugal, come to Alvor.
Alvor
Yes,
is
very good.
between Lagos and Faro.
Yes, it's very good.
Portimao. Oh no, we're were you guys shut this off?
Yeah, yeah. You're like Portimao, been drinking a lot.
You have two. This is only number 2. Still walk fine.
Perfectly, you know what?
We got sunburn.
We're done.
We made some Mexican friends down here in Portugal. Great place, La Fiesta,
So good.
and got to see a bunch of cool stuff.
My ice cream is so good, Mom.
Come to Portugal.
Come to Portugal.
It's fun.